Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can fix the VAN9003 error in Valorant on our Windows 11 devices. And this error occurs when Vanguard Valorant anti-cheat system is not properly running due to system compliance issues. So we will be fixing the error in two main steps. The first is to check the BIOS first, BIOS mode, and secure boot status. So to do that, simply go to your Windows search bar and there you need to type system information. And you will get under best match the system information option. So please make a click on that. And then you will be getting this kind of window. So here, all you need to do is just to look for the BIOS mode in the right section. And then once you found it, please make sure that it is, or the value is set to UEFI. And for the secure boot state, so we will be looking for secure boot state, this one. Please make sure that the value is set to on. And if either is incorrect, you can proceed to the BIOS setup. So to enable the UEFI and secure boot in BIOS, all you need to do is just to restart the system and enter the BIOS mode. So to do that, simply first find your specific BIOS key by searching on the online or in the internet for the key of your laptop. For example, if you're using Acer or Lenovo, you can search online BIOS key for Lenovo laptop or Acer laptop, and the internet will provide you with a BIOS key. So for that, once you have already restarted the system, you can enter now the BIOS mode by pressing the correct key. So once you're in the BIOS mode, please go to the Advanced tab or Settings, and then you can find and enable the UEFI mode. And you can also disable the Legacy or CSM mode if needed. So the next thing is to locate and enable the Trusted Computing. So you need to set Security Device Support to enabled and locate TPM interface and set it to available. So you can also select the latest version if multiple options. So the next thing is to navigate to the Security tab, and there you can find the Secure Boot. So set the Secure Boot to enabled and set Secure Boot mode to standard. So you can switch from custom if also needed. So after doing this one, just save the changes and exit the BIOS. So the next thing you need to do is to confirm by selecting yes when prompted to save. And then the next thing is to have a post BIOS verification. So once the PC reboots, again, open the system information and just do the same thing with what we did earlier. Type and search here system information, and you will get under apps or best matches system information option. Now here, you can confirm that the BIOS mode is UEFI and the secure boot state is on. So another optional step is to check for Windows Update. So you can do that simply by going to the Windows Search tab, and there you can type Windows Update. And you will get under best match the Windows Update settings. So please make a click on that. And here, you can check for updates by selecting the check for updates option here, this one. And you can download and install any available updates. And after the updates, just restart your PC once the updates are complete. So after these steps, the VAN9003 error should be resolved. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.